Here I have CAT S61, and today I'm going to show you how to perform virus scan on this device. So to do this, you have the pre-installed application of your device, which is called Antivirus. Wow. Let's open this app, then tap Get Started, and then start with Pro. Okay, let's start with basic security, and then tap just scan. Allow all the accesses it requires, and after a few seconds it will scan all of your apps for viruses, and you will get the results. Found 2 risks. Wow. And where they are? Where are my risks? Let's try to rescan. I don't know which risks it found, but as you can see, like, my scan is complete. It found some risky items here, but it doesn't show them, so no idea what it's all about. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.